The true meaning of intelligence is not how much we know what to do, but how we behave when we do not know what to do. And being fat is not a hindrance to become a beauty queen, because I strongly believe in myself, my capacity, ability, capability, skills, talent, intelligence, and beauty, and most especially, my self-confidence that makes me rise for this evening pageant. Good evening. Ito po sa ang babaeng merong teleserye Doble Cara tuwing hapon sa ABS-CBN. Wala pong iba, ako po si Julia Pontes. 20 years old. And I'm proud to represent from the City of Smile Mascara Festival. At bago ko po lisanin ang apat na sulok ng itabladong ito, may nais sana akong ihabiling kataga. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Ba, baklaman kami sa inyong paningin, tao pa rin kami kung ituring. Be, bigit ulo hanggang paa kami inyong matatagpuan. Bi, biktima kami ng kaharasan at diskriminasyon. Bo, bobo lang po ang makapagsasabing kaming mga bakla ay walang maihambag sa ating bansa. At bu, bukas, ngayon, at magpakailanman, kami inyong mahagad. Good evening.
Okay, candidate number 8. Let us all welcome candidate number 9.